What's going on, guys? D5, it's your boy, Stunner Breezy, baby. Stunner Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a bluesy. Yeah, baby. You hear it? Yes, indeed. Boy, the bird, man, hand rubbing together. Boy, I do this for Big Gladys. Why, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Yes, sir. Boy, I stay happy, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm gonna get to the truth about the animal farm, man. You know me, I keep it all the way 100. So I'm gonna get to that in a minute. But boy, I just had the biggest argument. You ever had the biggest argument about nothing? It was 4 of us outside, right? I mean, I thought the people gonna call the police. But what we were arguing about? 4 grown men out there arguing about what is the best nut. Ain't that crazy? Now, me personally, I didn't even think it was an argument. I thought the macadamia nut was the best nut ever created, and everybody knew it. I didn't even think it had to be debated. Like, what are you talking about? I'm talking about one dude talking about the pecan, the other dude talking about the cashew. Now, I'll admit the cashew is a good one. The cashew is a good nut. When I was younger, I used to love me some cashew. But as you get older and your palate matures, you know what I'm saying? But I was dumbfounded. We was really getting into it. You know what I'm saying? I like pecans too, but you know, hey man, the macadamia nut, the best nut ever. I don't care what nobody say. I know y'all listening. Got a couple of them that were arguing. They watch me. I know y'all listening. The macadamia nut is the best nut. You know, shout out to the pistachio, like them too. They'll start flavoring them up and all that, man. But hey, we don't get into all that. Oh boy, I gotta let you hear. I'm gonna let you hear the stupidest thing you ever heard, bro, right quick. We won't get to this animal farm, but I'm gonna let you hear the stupidest thing you have ever heard. No lie, bro. I'm about to let you hear. I ain't gonna even opine. I'm gonna let you hear. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see. No lie. You about to be just dumbfounded. Let me find it. No lie, bro. This is the stupidest thing I've ever heard. And this is the problem when you try to bring politics into crypto. The dude got almost 1.5 million followers putting this garbage out. Well, let me show you something. And I'm going to let you hear it for yourself. I don't want you to think it's me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he must have deleted it. Oh, okay, I think he deleted it. Or did I pass it? Here we go. No, here it is right here. Listen to this, bro. This dude said we don't need no more jobs.
We want job growth right now, as we are heading into a recession.
Shit. Go back. Okay.
We don't want job growth right now, as we are heading into a recession. As we start to get inflation pulling back, this is going to lead to a bigger jobs market crash.
Oh my God.
Right now, you don't want job growth because we're going to get giant pullback, and now there's going to be way more jobs out there than we can fill.
What the?
When companies start to have to lay people off, and it's going to wreck the economy.
How does that make sense?
We don't want job growth right now, as we are heading into a recession.
Did you just hear this fool, bro? Did you just hear that? He just described stagflation, and he probably even know what that word means. He just described stagflation, but in order to try to make Biden look bad or whatever it is, I don't know what's going on, bro. That don't even make sense. Can somebody please tell me how that makes sense, bro? Please. What do you mean?
We don't want job growth right now.
So the Microsoft plant coming down the street gonna get, employ 100 people, making $100,000 a year. No, we won't need. Now, don't do that. Don't start to work. You know what I'm saying? Google expanding in all these places, giving people jobs. You know what I'm saying? Paying health insurance. life insurance, million days off a year. No, don't need that. We don't need that. It's like, I've never heard such stupidity. You rather cut your nose off to spite your face. We don't need. Tell me you heard something stupider than that, bro. Tell me. Look at the people even commenting. I even said that's the stupidest thing I've heard. Look at people. Look at people, bro. Look, man, you're not economist, please. You know what I'm saying? For you make the even people that like him, expert in your own mind. This last guy manipulator you want to be listening to. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. They telling the truth. What was he thinking posting this clip? These are his buddies. This is crazy, bro. I just couldn't believe when I heard that. This dude here, man. Golly, why? We don't need no job. Okay, man. But anyway, let's get to this animal farm, man. Get to something that's really real. Anyway, man. See what we got going on right here. Oh, look at the price of pig. What? The price of pig went up. What up, $55, $56? $58. But now you let something else go up $2, boy. It'll lead the story nightly news. You let anything else go up $2. You let it go up 50 cents. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the chart. Oh, look at they just get all wet and moist. They'll look at this, then move it down like that so you can't see it. Don't want you to see it. But anyway, man, let's get to this animal farm. Right? I'm gonna tell you the truth about animal farm. Right? Animal farm is gonna be the biggest money grab Drip has ever created, bro. Period. And I know this how? Because he already done it. The last two times. The Manor Farm made more money than anything that Forex has ever created. It was a 14-day money windfall. And then the first Animal Farm was making money hand over fist. Making money hand over. That's why people miss it so bad. Because we're making so much money. Now, and let me tell you something. Hey, and to me, I wouldn't even have all these for all this here dot, the link, all this, you know, I get it with the cake. A lot of people hold cake, but I wouldn't even, none of that, bruh. You don't even need all this. Belt, you don't need that. That's just Forex. That's just a way of him sticking his chest out. That's just his way of going toe to toe with the quote unquote big dogs. The real ones, they don't even call them farms. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know what I'm talking about. Because there really are no farms out right now. Everybody want to holler about hurry up with the animal farm. There are no farms. Because this is hard to do. It is hard to do and it's hard to maintain. You understand what I'm saying? Now, what he trying to do, because just like people doing, see, when this stuff come out and people make money, the first thing they do is they sell the native token. So it go down in price. Then you got people, oh, the price going up, price. Everybody want to pay the price. So what he trying to do is have the game come out so you'll have something to do with your earnings. You take your earnings, put them in the game to earn more money. You see what I'm saying? But that is easy to say. I can sit here and say it all day, but you got to make this stuff work. You only get one shot. You come out with this stuff and it don't work. Half of it got to be down. Half of it this and that. Well, take this. It's over. You don't get another shot. You see, that's what the haters want. They want to rush it so they can talk shit about it. That's what they want. You understand what I'm saying? Now, hey, I'm waiting for it too. And let me show you something. Look at this. Let me show you something. Right here. Look at these. TUSD, BUSD, DAI, BUSD, USDC, BUSD. Bruh, you can quit your job just on these alone. If you're not ready when this farm come out, bruh, shame on you. You need to be saving every dime you have. This is a money grab, bruh. I don't know what that ain't nothing else. That's what it is. This is a no loss money machine. This is nothing but an ATM machine. The animal farm is going to be a broken ATM machine when it comes out. This is no loss, bro. If you like DAI, get you some DAI and you should be stacking up DAI BUSD, whatever you like. TUSD BUSD, USDT BUSD, USDC BUSD. Those are the four you get with no loss. Now you can do your BNB because it's going up in value against the BUSD. I'm gonna bust this one. You know, I'm gonna bust that drip BUSD. That's me. Because it's probably gonna have the highest APR along with, you know, the dogs BUSD. These are the ones that's gonna, you know, carry the system because they're the top dogs. They're gonna have the highest APR. But bro, you can come down here with no risk. You can put $1 million in here, earn every day, and then take your money out. You can unstake with no loss, zero risk. Where else can you do that at? Zero risk, zero. Only thing you're gonna do is be earning money every second of every day that you can take out freely at will. Hell, I'm mad. I want Animal Farm too. This thing is gonna be a life changer if you got enough in it. But if you're gonna put your money everywhere else and then when it come out, you ain't got but a couple dollars. Oh man, I shoulda. I know you shoulda. You should be, boy. And let me tell you something. What Forex should do like the other platform. Since you like to be regulated, put the whale tax on there. Tax 50%. See how they like that. Boy, you let Forex do that, then oh man, oh golly, you're the 50%. That's totalitarianism and all this other stuff. Everybody want to make America great again until it's something else. You see what I'm saying? You like the taxes over there? Oh yeah, you know, 25% if you do this, 50% if you do that. Okay, I hope Forex do it over here. Do it over here. Let's see how they like it. All of a sudden, oh, you stealing and this and all them taxes. We don't like taxes. Now I know there's another Boston Tea Party. We don't like taxes. But you like taxes over there. Well, ain't nobody making no money. Can't nobody show you withdrawing no money, but they can show you a chart. Oh, look at the price going. What the good is that? If you're not making if you can't, what good is it having $1,000, but you can only take out $5 of it? See, with the Animal Farm, you're going to be whatever you want. This your money. With zero loss. Whichever one you like. USDT, USDC, TUSD, DAI. Whatever you like. Free. No loss, bro. Think about it. I want you to sleep on that. No loss. You put your money here and you take out money every day with zero loss. Who gives a damn about what the price is? It's free money. You have APR paying 700% on whatever money you got. That's shame on you, bro. You come here with $100 when you should have came here with 1,000, 10,000, 20,000. Ain't nobody that's gonna tell you that but me. Well, you should know worried about this and the other. But hey, man, that's the truth about the Animal Farm. This thing's gonna be a money windfall. You're either gonna get yours or you're not. You're either gonna be ready or you're not. That's the simple red, white, and blue about it, bro. But anyway, we don't need no more jobs, man. So it is what it is. You stuck where you at. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. I know you wait for me to say it. Holla back at your boy, man.